Hey, today we're going to talk about this magnetic acrylic calendar by Acrylic. So I'm going to unpackage it and show you what it looks like inside. Okay, so let's open this up. Right away we see that we have this little manual here that gives you instructions on how to take care of it, dimensions, how to use it, user manual. We have a little thank you card here. And then it's nicely bubble wrapped. And here is the weekly planner. Sunday through Saturday, and it's transparent. Here is the monthly planner. Okay, so as you can see, here are the strong magnetic strips, and because they're soft, they're anti-scratch, so your fridge will not be scratched, but they have a strong grip. And here we have our monthly calendar. Here's the days of the week. And here on the bottom, you have the months from January all the way to December. Okay? You also have these markers right here. 4. White, yellow, blue, and red. Okay? And here is a little cloth that they recommend that you wet before you try to dry erase the board. Okay, so let's put this on the fridge and see how it looks. Here are the strong magnetic strips to make it anti-scratch. Goes on like this. A weekly planner if you prefer. It also has the strong magnetic strips that are also anti-scratch. Goes on like that. It has these 4 markers here that also have a strong magnetic strip, and they won't slide off. So we'll circle December in yellow, and we'll say the 13th lunch. Okay, and notice how all these colors are visible. So let's say we're done with December. I already wet my cloth before using it. I'm going to start erasing. Okay, like so. And it's made with a high acrylic finish, so that makes it more durable. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.